Before you quit your job to start a company, hire your first co founder. It won't ask for equity, salary, or holidays. I'm talking about using AI as your first co founder in a very practical way, not in hype, buzzword. Here are three roles that AI should be playing in your life before you even think about leaving your job. Role number one, AI as your research analyst. Instead of scrolling the social media, use AI to scan your industry, summarize key trends, and surface problems people actually have. You can literally ask, give me 10 underserved problems for working professionals in your industry. Most people guess their startup idea. You'll actually base it on data and patterns, ensuring your success. Role 2, AI as your product assistant. Before you hire expensive teams, use AI to draft landing pages, emails, pitch decks, even basic wireframes. You don't need perfect, you need speed and signal. Test, do people click, sign up, book a call, or pay without you spending months building the ideal product? If answer is yes, go ahead. Otherwise, you need to iterate. Role 3, AI as your operations and content engine. Let AI create SOPs, checklists, meeting notes, and authority content that attracts the right kind of clients and talent. You only focus on judgment, relationships, and decisions, and AI handles reputation, documentation, and first drafts. If you already have a business or a serious idea and want a structured AI implementation, instead of random tools, you can book an AI audit with my team at Aifyze using the link below. We map your workflows and show exactly where AI can become your silent co founder. And if you prefer to start by learning and experimenting yourself, you'll find my AI courses and resources inside the Watts community as well. That's usually the smartest first step.